You can't find your clothes, Wyatt? They're probably in the back.
It's open, cracked like this. Crack. Yeah. Ow.
Did you find it? Remember, you should watch upstairs too. You can open up both ways. Go.
Oh, shells.
Ah, shell. Here.
So much shells.
There you go, buddy.
It's
I'll get the shells.
kind of not like that. I don't want me to be shelly.
You don't want you to be shelly. Okay, look. Okay, shells are out.
Hey. I'm not shelly.
Okay, open that one.
But now this is the real way. Yeah. Those fish. There. Gangster. And just stir my food. Time to stir. I don't want to make an egg. Alright, I'll take one. No, just kidding. Time to mix. Do you know how to mix? Here. How do you mix some stuff? Mom, how does this kid know how to use the oven, but I don't? Yeah.
I turned on the stove. He didn't turn it on. Here. Okay, it's ready for the eggs when you're ready.
But why? You know I know how to make eggs. Do you know how to make eggs?
He's really good at making eggs.
I mean, if Coke can do it, I can do it.
So you want to pour the eggs in here? In our pan?
No, what's that called?
What?
That's
No.
So it's time.
Let me know when they're ready.
Okay.
No. Because I'm going to add a little bit of whites to it too.
Okay.
Just to give us some more eggs. Okay. You ready for
No.
you need cheesy eggs today?
No.
What problem? Just try it. Hey, go. Let's make it. Come on. Let's just try it, buddy. Buddy. Okay, you ready?
Yep. Boy, Weston's already making it. Well, put it on the stove. I need to get my chair today.
Okay, bring your chair over there.
And give me the spatula. I think it's ready to.
I think it's ready too. Here.
Let's the footbed over there.
You just want to mix it or flip it?
Mix it, like stir it.
Okay. Yep, you can stir it. Just get in there and stir it. Good job. Good job, Cope. And just don't touch the pan. But that's really good job.
It can be that hot.
It's pretty hot.
Mom, can you never call me?
Cowl. Good job.
I'll get this.
You want cheese on yours, bud?
Yeah.
Right, put the deodorant and stuff on.
I'm gonna let one eat it.
Oh, hurry.
Okay, I'm done.
You got to put your cheese on it.
Okay. Why is that kind of cheese?
That's all we have. Okay. I'm gonna start. And your plate right here. Let me cut it a little bit smaller into pieces.
Yeah.
Good job, buddy. That looks perfect?
Yeah.
That looks pretty perfect.
More eggs?
Now we have to make white eggs, so there's your eggs.
No. Second way.
I heard that white.
Why did you do that?
I put some butter in there to make it brothers. Okay, so now we're gonna do his.
It's just sliding around melting.
Yeah. You want the butter to melt, and then you want to put your eggs in there. And these ones are gonna be your brothers.
I know.
So she want to pour them in for him?
Yeah, I'll pour mine in.
That's fine. If you want me to give him these, keep them in the pan. Yeah, yeah. Don't touch anything. Just put it in the pan like this. You okay? Where'd you touch it at? Let me see. Let me see your hand though. Right there.
Wow.
What bud?
There's this result in Ohio. Can we look it?
What are you talking about?
It's near Kope Valley Science.
What about it? Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
Rock science. It looks so cool.
Whoa! You okay? Oh, buddy, he just fell out of his chair. Come here. You okay, honey? You okay, bud?
We got that video. Ooh.
Here, you want to sit up here and eat?